In this video, we are going to learn about conditional formatting. Meaning of conditional formatting. Conditional formatting make it easy to highlight certain values or make particular cell easy to identify. This changes the appearance of a cell range based on certain condition. We can use conditional formatting to highlight cell that contain value which met a certain condition. Like suppose we want to highlight cell from B4 to F8. This one. If value is greater than 1000. So first select cell from B4 to F8 like we have already selected. Then click to Home tab over here. Then go to Style section area over here. And in that click to Conditional Formatting. This one. The moment we click to Conditional Formatting, list of options will come in front of us. We can use Highlight Cell rules, this one, Top Bottom rule and so on. Now we will move our cursor to Highlight Cell rule over here. In that we have many options like greater than, less than and so on. We will click to greater than option, this one. The moment we click to greater than option, greater than dialog box will appear in front of us. Over left hand side, we will insert amount like we are inserting 1000 over here. After inserting amount, move our cursor over right hand side over here and click to this down arrow, this one. Here we will get certain highlight option or we can custom our own. For that, click to custom format, this one. The moment we click to custom format, format cell dialog box will appear in front of us. In this we can select font color from here and font style from here. We can give border from border section from here. We can select background color from fill section. After doing all this, click to OK, but we will click to cancel because we will select from the given list. We are selecting this yellow fill with dark yellow like this and then click OK. See, the moment we click OK, value which is greater than 1000 from cell B4 to F8 is highlighted as per our selection, yellow fill with dark yellow. So like this we can use conditional formatting in Excel. Try this in your Excel worksheet and I will see you in next video. Take care.